Good morning, Tuller and colleagues. My name is John Arturo Julio Vuelvas, and I'm a student of the Business Progression Administration programs. I would like to tell you about three-day planning to the city of Armenia, Quindío. My vacation are want and the plan to travel to their city, Armenia and Colombia. I plan to on the June 15th, 2021 and train and thank my hub family we make to spend more time together. We will stay at the Hotel Villa Café that a friend recommendation as the bar. During this time of the year, the climate in the city is nice and warm during the day and sheen of night. We plan to wear one class for the use and long sleeve sweaters at night. In the park that with to the 2 days of as various activities, such as walking through the coffee crops, visiting the patrons of was enjoy the huts, plains, and visit the well-known and touristic coffee park. For this she treats with have a budget of 5 million pesos for expenses and activities during the holidays. holidays. Forests and videos will be taken to have family memories of four families trench. trench. We plan to rent back no, to bring back Swain to four our closest close closest French closest French such keep chains in coffee products. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your attention.